To finalize the candidates for all the poll-bound states, the Central Election Committee of the Bharatiya Janata Party will meet on Saturday evening in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, National President JP Nadda, General Secretary BL Santosh and members of the Parliamentary Board. State leaders, state in charges will also be present at the meet. Members of the Parliamentary Board include Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister Thawar Chand Gehlot, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Bihar Government Minister Shahnawaz Hussain. From being sympathetic towards Delhi over LAC friction with China to plans of launching mega COVID-19 vaccine initiative in India, the country stood out in the first Quad Summit. The country will produce jabs for the Indo-Pacific region with financial assistance from the US and Japan, while Australia will continue in the logistical aspect. The Quad leaders also delved into evolving situation in the Indo-Pacific and vowed to work unitedly for ensuring peace and stability in the region. A free and open Indo-Pacific is essential to each of our futures, US President Joe Biden said in the meeting. In his remark, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that Quad has come of age and its agenda covering areas like vaccine, climate change and emerging technologies makes it a force for global good. Maharashtra recorded this year's highest one-day spike on the third day in a row on Friday with 15,817 new infections coming to a light. The case load in the state now has risen to more than 22 lakh while the death toll has reached more than 52,000 with 56 new fatalities. The state had earlier reported more than 15,000 cases on October 2nd last year, after which new cases had declined. But a fresh surge in the cases has begun last month and the state recorded more than 13,000 and more than 14,000 cases on Wednesday and Thursday respectively. Top Congress leaders including Ghulam Nabi Azad, Anand Sharma, Kapil Sibal of the Group of 23 that is G23 have not been named in the party's list of star campaigners for the first phase of assembly polls in West Bengal despite their willingness to campaign. The G23 leaders who had written to Congress chief Sonia Gandhi in August last year demanding organizational overhaul had expressed their desire to canvass for the party in the upcoming elections. However, only two of the G23 leaders, Jitin Prasada and Akhilesh Prasad Singh, have been included as the party named 30 star campaigners. The Biden administration on Friday said it is willing to reconsider the objections or adverse decisions to foreign workers on visas like H-1B due to the 3 policy memos by the previous Trump administration which now have been rescinded. The move is expected to come to the rescue of a large number of Indian IT professionals who were having a tough time during the previous Trump administration due to the various policies and memorandums on non-immigrant work visas, in particular H-1B.
Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free.
First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs.
So, hope to see you soon with our badges.